Hello programmers, so in this video we'll resolve an error. No module name Yagmail. So we have to resolve that particular error in this video. First you have to check like Python is installed in that laptop or not. If it's not installed, then first you have to install the Python and then we have to install that particular library. And if you're facing any error, then just let me know in the comment section or you can directly contact us on WhatsApp. I will share the WhatsApp number in the video description. I'm trying to running that particular project accident detection system and I got that error. Check out that Python is installed or not. For that you have to open the control panel. Then click on uninstall a program. So see Python 3.8.10 is already installed in that laptop. Let's check out through terminal as well. You have to just write Python hyphen version. Then enter. Python 3.8.10 is already installed in that laptop. So you have to install that particular library. You have to just write pip install Yagmail. Okay. Then enter. So it is collecting the library and successfully installed that particular library. And let's check out the version. You have to just write pip show Yagmail. Then enter. So see the library name is Yagmail and the version will be the 0.15.293. Okay, that particular version is downloaded and this will be the location where it installed and that will be the solution of that particular problem. So let's end this video here. We'll again connect with the next session. And if you're a computer science student and searching for any project, then we have prepared a complete project list for computer science student. Let's check out that particular list. We are providing projects in multiple domains like Python, Java, Android, machine learning, deep learning, AI, neural network, OpenCV, Django, React.js, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, PHP, and many more. So this will be the WhatsApp number where you can text the project list and I will share that particular list. Okay, let's scroll down. This will be the machine learning projects. Let's scroll down. These are deep learning projects, AI projects, data analytics, data science, image processing, NLP, OpenCV, web development, management system, Java projects, Android app, cybersecurity, and IoT. So if you want that particular list, then you can just say hi on WhatsApp and as a project list, and I will share that particular list. So let's end this video here. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you're new, then subscribe channel and share with a friend. Thank you.